There go the little dogs out to getting tangled in the grass there, Roo. Come on, Ruby. Come on. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? I see you. What are you doing? You having a good time? Huh? You having a good time? You are silly. Good girl. Go play with your brother. What you doing, Badger? Hmm? Whatever it is, it's probably disgusting. He wants to roll in that disgusting whatever. Badger, what is it?